Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another video for you. So these videos are going to be a little different. I wanted to finally do some Christmas videos. I've never done that before in like 4 years, which is bad. So I'm going to be doing 12 days of Christmas deep conditioner style, and I'm going to be going over 12 different deep conditioners, going into detail about their ingredients and how they benefit your hair. And mainly, if you aren't already using these deep conditioners, you may want to pair them with stylers and cleansers that you're already using by these brands, which is perfect, which is what I like to do when I'm washing my hair. And just a disclaimer, you might hear Jalen in the background. I kind of feel like I've been avoiding these types of videos because I felt like I needed that perfect silent background. But as she gets older, it's just not possible. So if you do hear her in the background, I'm not going to continue to pretend I don't have a baby when you all know I have one. Okay, so, and I'm going to be having a cute different little headband for each day. So yeah. So on the first day of Christmas, we're going to be doing a deep conditioner by Briogeo. And I got this mask because I had a cleanser, a co-wash that was my favorite, and it also had avocado in it. So this is their avocado kiwi mega moisture superfood mask, and the way they kind of describe it is basically like a green smoothie, because the ingredients are what you would put in a green smoothie. So avocado is going to replenish and maintain the moisture you already have. It's also going to soothe your scalp and promote strong healthy hair, which is what we want, right? And then next up is kiwi. So the kiwi is going to be full of the antioxidants. It's going to give you the zinc, and the zinc is what's really going to promote the circulation in your scalp. So it's going to be good for growing your hair. So I like to use a lot of masks that help me grow my hair or help me maintain moisture, which are all the things that you want to retain length. So not only am I going to be stimulating my scalp with this mask to promote new growth, I'm going to actually retain a lot of moisture throughout the days after my wash, doing this deep treatment, which is what's going to help us retain the length that we want. So there's also spinach and chia seeds in here, and these two ingredients are going to really promote more hair growth for you. They're going to give you strength, and the chia seeds is a natural protein. So what I like about that is I don't have to always worry about, oh, did I do a protein treatment this month? But if you already have a deep conditioner that has natural proteins in it, you might be protein sensitive, but this isn't like it's not considered a protein treatment, but it has natural proteins in it with the chia seeds. So that's going to give you stronger hair. It's going to promote stronger strands coming out of your scalp. So the new hair that's coming in is already going to get that boost because it's going to be stronger to begin with. And it's also going to promote stronger, thicker hair. So along with the deep conditioner recommendations, I'm going to be showing you the stylers and cleansers that I would be using with this mask on wash day. So if I was washing my hair and I was using this mask, I would use the avocado and quinoa co-wash. Then I would deep condition, and just to keep a quick wash day, I would style with the Be Gentle, Be Kind, Aloe and Oat Milk Ultra Soothing Detangling Spray. So those are just a combination if you wanted to, really get that moisture in there using great ingredients. The Be Gentle, Be Kind line, they have different items that all work well together. They all have great ingredients, and so ultimately at the end of the day, you want to use products that work well together. So I asked everyone to send in questions that they want to ask during the end of these 12 days of Christmas videos. You can still head over to my Instagram and send your questions in. I'll be asking or answering the questions at the end of the videos. So the first question is going to be from ASD_babysis. Do you feel you sacrifice length due to colored hair? That's a great question. A lot of people have the misconception that because you have colored hair that it's going to be hard to have long colored hair or your hair is going to break off. It all depends on the health of your hair to begin with, how you maintain the health of your hair afterward. And it's more than a notion to dye your hair. You can't just dye your hair and then go back to whatever you were doing before. You have to actually put in that extra TLC when you are a colored natural. So for me, I always make sure I take the necessary steps to make sure my hair is healthy first, and then the color is second, will come second. And because you have a healthy foundation, your color is also going to be healthy. So I hope that answers your question. No, I don't feel like I sacrifice length to have color. In the past, when I had unhealthy practices, yes, I did sacrifice the length that I had before I colored my hair, because I lost all that length because of what I was doing to my hair. So you won't have to worry about that if you already have a healthy base to start with. I hope that answers your question. So send in more questions. I will be answering them at the end of these videos, and hopefully I won't make them too long. But thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already turned on those notifications, like this video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.